Hello. Today I went to an estate sale, and as soon as I walked in, I noticed really, really large, almost boulders of petrified wood, rhodochrosite, petersite, azurite, chrysocolla, turquoise, you name it, he had it. And I turned and sort of yelled to the guy having the sale, "Are you a lapidary?" And he said, "Yes." So I asked him to show me his workplace, and he took me in, and the quality of and the variety of what he had was just blew my mind more than any gem and mineral show I've ever been to. And then my eye caught this. And I couldn't believe it. This is plume agate. No, it's not. It's plume malachite. It's absolutely incredible. I have seen malachite in many shapes and forms, but nothing like this. I neglected to ask him where it was from, because he tried to source as much of his materials locally as he could, meaning the state of Arizona. This is the back. It's just as beautiful. And the price was $35, but he did give me a discount. He showed me pieces of carved fire agate that were beyond anything I've ever seen anywhere, even on YouTube. I mean, this guy was an incredible lapidary, and also a rack hound like me. So we talked for a long time, and I saw many beautiful things. And he even had plume malachite cabochons ready to go into a setting for a necklace or whatever. But I didn't get one. I wanted this one for my mineral collection, gem and mineral collection. And he also gave me, well, not gave, but he did give me this. Some of the very large semi-boulders of malachite had stalagmites, and so he cut those off and polished them up, and he gave me this one. And I've already been to the my jewelry supply for sterling fittings to make it a really beautiful necklace. I have a superb bail. It's all ready to go. So, and I even went and bought myself a this here to display my rare malachite, because I don't want it to get damaged or dusty or anything. But that is incredible. Just incredible. God bless copper.